This isn't just a 1966 Ford Mustang, it's a blacked-out American legend with a roaring 289 V8, and it's worth nearly $60,000. Let's find out why. There are classic cars, and then there are legends that forever changed automotive history. Today, we're looking at one of the most recognizable muscles ever built, the stunning 1966 Ford Mustang Coupe, finished in an incredibly glossy black paint, powered by Ford's legendary 289 cubic inch V8 engine, and restored with tasteful upgrades. This Mustang captures everything enthusiasts love about the golden era of American performance. With a price tag of $59,870, let's discover what makes this iconic pony car such a desirable collector's machine. The moment this Mustang comes into view, it's impossible to ignore its presence. The deep glossy black paint reflects every light with a mirror-like finish, giving the coupe an aggressive yet elegant personality. Every body line is sharp, every panel appears carefully aligned, and the timeless proportions remind us why the first-generation Mustang became an instant icon around the world. The signature front grille proudly wears the famous Mustang emblem, while the factory badging preserves the authentic appearance that collectors appreciate. The classic coupe roofline flows beautifully into the rear deck, creating one of the most recognizable silhouettes in automotive history. Even after 6 decades, the design still feels exciting, proving that true automotive art never goes out of style. Adding even more attitude are the legendary Magnum 500 wheels, one of the most sought-after wheel designs for classic Mustangs. Wrapped in BFGoodrich Radial T tires, measuring 205/60/15 in the front and a wider 245/60/15 in the rear, the stance is both muscular and perfectly balanced. Every angle of this Mustang looks ready to cruise down Main Street or steal the spotlight at a prestigious classic car show. Lift the hood, and you'll find the dependable Ford 289 cubic inch V8 engine resting proudly in a clean engine bay. This small block V8 helped build Ford's performance reputation during the 1960s and remains one of the most respected engines ever produced. Feeding the engine is the factory 2-barrel carburetor, delivering smooth, reliable performance while maintaining originality. Sitting on top is the Cobra air cleaner, adding just the right touch of performance-inspired styling beneath the hood. Power is delivered through the dependable C4 3-speed automatic transmission, making this Mustang enjoyable for relaxed weekend drives as well as long highway cruises. Out back sits the durable Ford 8-inch open rear end equipped with 280.1 gears, providing smooth acceleration and comfortable cruising characteristics. This setup isn't built purely for drag racing. It was designed to create an enjoyable classic driving experience that owners can appreciate every time they turn the key. Keeping everything cool is an aftermarket aluminum radiator, a smart upgrade that improves reliability during warm weather cruising and extended drives. Combined with the dependable mechanical setup, this Mustang is ready to be driven rather than simply admired inside a garage. Driving confidence is enhanced with power steering, making low-speed maneuvering effortless compared to many vintage classics. Front power disc brakes provide stronger stopping performance than original drum brakes, giving drivers additional confidence while preserving the classic driving experience. Together, these upgrades make the Mustang significantly more enjoyable on modern roads without sacrificing its timeless character. Slide underneath the car, and the restoration quality continues to impress. The underside has been professionally coated in black protective finish, helping preserve the chassis while presenting an exceptionally clean appearance. A dual exhaust system gives the 289 V8 that unmistakable American rumble, a deep, smooth exhaust note that instantly transports enthusiasts back to the golden age of Detroit performance. Numerous mechanical components have been replaced, including a new gas tank, new drive shaft, new shocks, new parking brake cables, new fuel lines, new brake lines, new bushings, and additional hardware throughout the chassis. These improvements aren't just cosmetic. They demonstrate the attention given to making this Mustang dependable for years to come. Open the door, and you're welcomed into an interior that perfectly complements the black exterior. The black vinyl seats maintain the authentic factory appearance while offering the unmistakable vintage atmosphere that modern cars simply cannot replicate. Matching black carpeting stretches throughout the cabin, creating a clean and unified design. Comfortable bucket seats place the driver in command of a dashboard filled with factory-style gauges that preserve the Mustang's original personality. The automatic floor shifter operates smoothly, while the beautiful wood steering wheel adds warmth and sophistication to the otherwise sporty interior. Above, the black vinyl headliner completes the cabin with a clean, factory-inspired finish. Even small details have been carefully preserved. The stock-appearing radio maintains the authentic dashboard appearance. Lap belts remain true to the era, and the finished trunk includes a protective floor mat, showing that every part of the vehicle received thoughtful attention during restoration. What truly makes this 1966 Ford Mustang Coupe special is its balance. Doesn't attempt to become an overpowered resto-mod or lose its heritage with excessive modifications. Instead, it respects the original Mustang formula while adding carefully selected upgrades that improve reliability, comfort, and drivability. It's the kind of classic that can confidently enter prestigious car shows on Saturday and comfortably cruise scenic highways on Sunday. Priced at $59,870, this Mustang represents far more than transportation. It represents one of the most influential American automobiles ever built. It captures an era when style, simplicity, and V8 performance came together to create a cultural icon that still inspires enthusiasts across generations. Whether you're an experienced collector searching for another timeless edition, a lifelong Mustang fan fulfilling a dream, or someone discovering classic American cars for the very first time, this beautifully restored black 1966 Ford Mustang Coupe is impossible to ignore. Its legendary 289 V8, elegant styling, tasteful upgrades, and exceptional presentation make it a standout example of why the first-generation Mustang remains one of the most celebrated classics ever produced. If you enjoyed seeing this incredible 1966 Ford Mustang Coupe, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss another amazing classic muscle car or collector vehicle. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next automotive adventure.